Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to talk about the important documents you need to bring for your K1 visa interview. With Visa Harmony, we provide free guides and tips to make your US visa and immigration processing as smooth as possible. We also provide assistance with certain US petitions and immigration applications. Our service fees are very affordable. We assist with filling out the required forms, organizing all the requirements, sending the application to USCIS, and answer any questions you may have during the whole process. I will leave our contact information below. For a K1 visa interview, you will need to prepare a variety of documents to ensure a smooth process. Here's a checklist of the essential documents you should bring. Number 1, payment receipt. Proof that you have paid the K1 visa application fee. Every U.S. embassy has a different process, so you will need to check on the U.S. embassy website how you will pay for the visa fee. This is the fee for the interview. You will not be able to schedule your visa interview without paying for the visa fee. Usually, you will need to pay it at one of the local banks. Number 2, DS-160 confirmation page. This is the confirmation page of the online immigrant visa application form. Number 3, passport. It needs to be valid for at least 6 months. Number 4, birth certificate. An original or certified copy of your birth certificate. Number 5, proof of termination of previous marriage. This can be divorce decree, annulment document, or death certificate of any previous marriages of either the U.S. citizen petitioner or the foreign fiancé beneficiary. Number 6, police certificates from your current country of residence and all countries where you have lived for 6 months or more since age 16. For the Philippines, this is called the NBI Clearance. Number 7, medical examination. You need to have completed your medical examination from an authorized physician before your interview. Information on the recommended clinics will be available at the U.S. Embassy website. For the Philippines, the only clinic you can get the medical examination done is at the St. Luke's Medical Center Extension Clinic. Number 8, proof of relationship. Photographs, correspondence, and other evidence that your relationship with your U.S. citizen fiancé petitioner is genuine. You do not need to bring a lot. I suggest bring some photos and or call chat logs that were not included in your petition applications. Sometimes the consular officer will not ask for this, but it's better to have it just in case they do. You do not need to put the pictures in a big photo album because the interview happens through a glass frame and there is just a small opening where you can slide in the documents for the consular officer. For pictures, I suggest to have them printed in photo paper. Number 9, other local requirements. As mentioned earlier, requirements vary per U.S. Embassy. Like for example, in the Philippines, there is a document called Senar, short for Certificate of No Marriage. There is a database in the Philippines for all the marriage records of all the Filipinos. The Senar is a requirement for Filipinos for the K1 visa interview because this document proves that the applicant is free to marry, which is a major requirement for the K1 visa. The financial support document is no longer needed. The USCIS has changed the purpose of the Form I-134, and the U.S. Embassy do not ask for it anymore during the K1 visa interviews. The petitioner will need to provide the affidavit of support for the beneficiary during the adjustment of status application using the Form I-864. I will link below the videos we created on adjustment of status and the affidavit of support. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.